Good morning. We're at San Clemente State Beach, about to go with the dogs down to the beach. Look at this beautiful view. Pacific Ocean. The water's so nice. Such good weather. We're finally here on the beach. Dogs are allowed. Nice. There are 3 dogs, 3 big dogs. It feels so nice to be here on the beach. Beautiful weather. Beautiful Southern California weather. This is amazing. It's time to bring Rusty into the water. Let's see this. Let's go diagonal, Sling. Oh, Rusty and Max, there comes a wave. Oh, it's too small. Yay, we got wet. Yeah, Rusty. Come on, Max. Rusty's in the water already. Huh? Rusty got wet. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah. Come on, Rusty. Oh, these dogs are scared. They're whips. They're scaredy cats. Come on, Rusty, let's go. Oh yeah, Rusty, you got wet. Not bad, Rusty. Come on, Max. Don't be a wimp. You little wimp. Dang, Rusty, look at you. You're all wet. How'd you like the water, huh? Got a nice shower, right, Rusty? So brave. Look at Max right there with Celine. Having so much fun in there. Haha, psych. Keep trying to get out. Oh well, but Max is wet now too. Yeah. Good job, Max. Right down. Celine, take both. Ah yes. Oh shoot, on this Dodger chair. Here comes the wave. Yes, survived it. Woo! Survived it. I survived it. Oh, man, I fell. Goodbye, beach. It was a fun 2 hours here. Hanging out with the dogs and the family. Lunchtime. Smash burger.
No, this is like the burger.
Wait, Celine, so that's what the fries are, what? Smash fries?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Then tastes better. This one look more.
It's kind of like garlic fries.
Those look more like a garlic fries.
Our driver right later. Indy driving home, right? Driving back to our campsite later. Found these popcorns. They didn't have it at Roush yesterday.
These are so fun. Just one?
One should be good, yeah.
How?
Tonight's gonna be fun again. Popping these.
Fun again.
Beach round 2.
Round 2 for the day.
玩怎么样？
Round 3.
很好，对。
哇，你过瘾了啊！这么多美女在场边。
哎呀，没。How's it, Kay?
Good. I drink a lot of seawater.
How about you, Celine? And me, I took a nap, they came down here, didn't go in the water. I just didn't feel like it. Dinner time. Fried rice.
它没有 pigeon，
它有
parrots。可是 it's
So I just ran with Max from our campsite to here, and I've caught the sunset. Perfect timing. Sun's going down just right about now into the Pacific Ocean, and we made it. Max and I. Yeah. Goodbye, sun. It's setting into the Pacific Ocean. Can't barely see it now. Goodbye. And that's about it. No more sun. I caught it today. Sunset June 22nd, 2014, San Clemente State Beach. Wow, look at this. The Pacific Ocean right after sunset. Very beautiful and calm. There are dogs here that aren't calm.
Round 2.
S'mores time.
Again.
Round 2.
Round 2.
It's okay, it's fine. Thank you.
The fire is live again.
Can you hold Max?
It's been burning for about an hour now. Celine, the pyromaniac, is gonna add more wood. Toss it in there, Celine, go. Don't fall in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you eat a s'mores yet?
No.
No? Okay, this one's for you.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Unless you want to make your own.
Up to you. Like, see if like my mom. Alright, let it burn.
Let me add more because we have so much.
Let it burn. Let it
There
burn.
you go.
Alright, thank you, Carrie. Nice.
Just make sure you watch Max. He's about to burn himself.
S'mores time.
Yep, he just
Courtesy of
burned himself.
Carrie.
Oh, pop. Oh,
Ooh, popcorn's almost ready. Dangerous.
Angels.
That's delicious. Ah, yes, smell the popcorn.
Shake it 哦，你不知道这多烫啊！
Let's just shake.
Popcorn.
Smells good.
Oh, good.
I see it.
Should I rip it more?
There it is.
Good.
Good.
Very good.
Very good.
Good job, Dad. So we have a lockout right now. This car is locked, but Indy's inside. AAA is here. Better come and open this car and rescue this dog who's trying to inside.
Should I close this one for Max?
Good job. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, the door's unlocked.
Indy. Oh yeah. 钥匙赶快拿出来，先把钥匙拿出来。Lock again?
You lock again?
Hey, good.
Oh,
Got it. Yeah. Come on. Give me a few offers.
Yeah. Car's unlocked. Indy, how are you? Indy. So pretty much, there's a lockout in the car. We call the locksmith. They come over. They get open once, and we're good. But my uncle closes it, and the door locks. And so while locksmith's still here, we call him over again. So 2 times, got to break into the lock. What are the odds? Twice in probably a 30-minute span. But hey, the car's open now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Alright, so it's bedtime. And today is only 5 living things here. Rusty, Carrie, Celia, and I.
Good thing
And
Indy
Max.
is not
Do you
here.
have
And it's so late.
Thank goodness Indy's not here anymore, as Indy is with Uncle Sam in the 4Runner. That was locked out today. So hopefully tonight will be a better night for us in terms of sleeping, as last night we were waking quite a few times with either Max or Indy barking.